Hey, what's up, Hapinoys? Here we are, off to another adventure. Tita A, where are we going today?
To Singapore. Yahoo!
Singapore, here we go. Wait for us. Hey, Hapinoys, guess what? Today, on our trip, we have used a new app and it's called Klook. It's our first time. So, we bought a SIM card. So, watch out for our many adventures.
Watch out once we get to Singapore and we'll get our SIM card there in the airport.
First time using Klook. Ha ha ha. Hey, Hapinoys. Look where we are. We are in Singapore. We are in Changi Airport and we have just landed here in Changi. Tita A, what can you say?
Welcome to Singapore.
Arrivals, transfers. So guys, if you bought a SIM in Klook and you're here in Singapore, this is the place where you're going to pick up your SIM at the UOB, just outside the main exit from the terminal. You won't miss it because it's in the corner. So we ordered SIM card from Klook. Singtel. We got a 100 gigabyte, good for 14 days. So guys, we have claimed this SIM card here in UOB, just outside the exit to the terminal. So what we bought this in Klook. 100 gigabytes, good for 14 days. So here you will.
It's cheaper compared to buying here.
Because
so if you buy it in Klook, it's only 364 pesos.
If you buy it here, it's about $40.
30 to 40.
30 to 40 Singapore dollars. So, what are you waiting for? Klook. But this is not sponsored. Klook.
You can also check Agoda. They also have this kind of promotion.
Yon. So, Hapinoys, if you're here in Singapore, make sure you get your own SIM.
Bye-bye!